Yeah, if ever there was a good day to come over and cook with you, Josh, this was it, man. What a treat.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank you.
All right, cheers.
Cheers. Hi, I'm Josh and I cook a lot. Today I'm gonna make a crispy chicken burrito, but the crisp is actually coming from the chicken skin. And to help me with that, I have my friend Old School Kepmo here with me today.
Hey, what's up, guys? So, yeah, we're making a burrito, and it's gonna be this crispy skin, and I cannot wait to see how he does it. So, let's go ahead and get started.
Let's do it.
Yeah, cool. So first off, this skin, super crispy. I can look at all the different components that we put in here, and I know after making them, it just smells amazing. I cannot wait to get in here and give it a shot.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I've been wanting to make this for a really long time. I've had this idea of, removing the tortilla, replacing it with crispy chicken skin, and I'm really happy we did that. Super crispy. It has all the elements of a normal burrito: meat, rice, beans, cheese, sauce. Just done a little bit differently. Middle Eastern style, spicy mayo to dip in. It's pretty awesome.
The mayo just pops.
Oh yeah.
Chickpeas have a nice little crunch to them, like beautiful texture. This is just hitting every corner that I want.
Yeah. Lemon, sumac, dill, all the things we're looking for in there. It's pretty awesome.
Home run, for sure. Great job.
Thank you.